Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create this design in Blender. So let's start. So click on File, New, General, okay don't save it. Press AX and delete, press 7 on your numpad, click on Add, Mesh, add a plane, zoom in, tab, right click, subdivide, enter the value 21. After that, select these vertices, press X and click on delete vertices. Just in case if your viewport doesn't look like this, make sure that you select the vertices selection mode, or you can also press 1 on your keyboard. Right, now press X, delete vertices. Press A, select, checkers deselect, press G, Z, 0.02, sorry, uh, point, okay, G, Z, 0.04. Press Ctrl I, press G, Z, minus 0.04, press 7, 2, select this, press X, delete edges. Go here, modifier, generate, array, make it 0, make it 2, increase the count, 11 is fine. Apply this, make sure that in object mode, apply it. Press tab, press A, shift D, enter, R, Z, 90. Press 1, zoom in, press G, X to align it here. Press 7, G, Y, align like this. G, X, press 2, by pressing Alt Shift, select this edge, X, delete vertices. By pressing Alt Shift, select this edge, X, delete edges. Now go to the object, convert to curve. Go here, go to the geometry and increase the depth. Click on fill caps to fill these holes. Go here, modifier, generate subdivision surface. Make it 2. Okay, looks great. Right click, shade auto smooth. Select this, press S, Z to make the shape. So in that way you can create this shape. Okay, wire meshing shape like this. So that's for all. I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubt and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.